Hi all. In this video, we are discussing about the truth tables for conjunction, disjunction, conditional and biconditional. See, this is very important and damn sure question for your semester exams. They may ask, sometimes they are mentioned solving the logical equivalence by using truth tables or using law of logic. If they don't mention anything in your examination question paper, solve. Some composition statement is given, just solve. Means in that case, simply you are going to use this truth table method. It is very easy and damn sure question. For that, see, I'll tell very simple manner and real life example. For that, simply like the video and share the video and watch the video till the end. First, I'll explain what is conjunction or how to remember the conjunction table. Okay. In this case, what we have to do, I'll give simple and easy example. You know bride and bridegroom, right? Okay. For that, you can consider P is my bride. Okay. Q is bridegroom. Consider as Q is bridegroom. First, construct the truth table for conjunction means it is denoted like this, intersection symbol, and this we can call it as and. This we can call it as and. See, how to write these two rows means you have two variables, then you can write it as 2 power 2 means you will get 4 rows. If you have 3 rows P, Q, R, you will get 2 power 3 means you will get 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. But here we have only P and Q. For that you will get true, 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 false, false, true, false, false. Okay, how to write the result? Here suppose in our marriage event, true means present, false means absent. Like that you can remember. Here, first case, the bride is present. In our first row, the bride present and bridegroom is also present. Then the event will go into success. In that case, write it as true. And second row, the bride is present, but the bridegroom is absent. If anyone is absent in this marriage event, especially bride and bridegroom, the event will going to fail. Remember that. Here, bride absent, bridegroom present means the event is fail. Then the same here, bride is also absent, bridegroom is also absent means there is the function, the event will going to fail. If both are present only, the event will go into success. Like that you can remember our conjunction. Next we'll discuss disjunction. Disjunction means this symbol indicates, you can write it as V or union, we can call it as or. This is and this is R. Ma'am, how to remember disjunction? Here, for disjunction, I'll take, you have both eyes, right? Even me also, I'm having 2 eyes. For that, suppose P is my left eye. P is my left eye. Okay. And Q is my right eye or your right eye. See, if you have both eyes, you can able to see. Or if you have any one eye, either left or right, you can able to see, right? Then if you can able to see, then given denoted that with true. True, 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 false, false, true, false, false. See all here. In this case, you have left eye, true means you have left eye and you have right eye, both means you can able to see. Okay, true. You have left eye only, there is no right eye. You can able to see or not? Yes, you can able to see. I can able to see, right, true. But here I don't have left eye, I have only right eye. I don't have left eye, but I have right eye, but I can able to see, means true. But last case, we don't have left eye and right eye. I don't have both eyes means I am unable to see means given this is a false. Clear? Like that you can remember. Now next one is the conditional. Conditional means what? The symbol is implies. Okay, and you can read it as then. Okay, here first write true, 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 false, false, true, false, false. Here I'll give the best example. Suppose you're going to write the discrete examination for your semester exams. In that, you can consider P is your discrete mathematics question paper. P is my question paper. And Q is my small q, right? Q is my answer sheet. Okay, Q is my answer sheet. What I am telling here, the very simple one, the question paper is correct. Here P is true, means question paper is correct, answer is correct, then you will get the marks. Question paper is correct, then answer is correct. If both are correct, then it is true. Okay, then question paper is true, but my answer is wrong. Question paper is true, second case, but your answer is wrong, means you will lose the marks, means false. And the next case is the question paper is false, but answer is true. In this case, the fault is their side, means the examination exam branch side. For that, you will get the marks. Whatever the question paper, suppose whatever the question paper is wrong, but whatever you wrote the answer, either you may write wrong answer or you may write correct answer, but you already attempt that one. For that case, you will get the marks. True. Then the next one, question paper is wrong, your answer is also wrong. Then what we have to do? It is false or true? Some people are thinking, madam, both are false. It is false. No, question paper is false. What you may write, either it may be right answer or wrong answer. You will get the marks. Means what you have to remember, if both cases question paper is wrong, in that case simply you can attempt that question, or you can write that question number, then you will get the marks, or you can write something for that. When it is, if the question paper is wrong, then you will get the marks. Okay, like that you can remember our conditional table. Then after that, biconditional. How to remember the biconditional? Biconditional means if and only if. If and only if. Or sometimes then. Okay. Here, the symbol like this. Here, I'll give very simple example. That is, consider here your P is Q and Q is negative. P is positive, Q is negative. For that, wrote true, 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 false, false, true, false, false. Okay? Okay. Okay, ma'am, for this first we'll discuss. After that, I'll tell one thing. True, true means P is true, or true means you can simply consider positive, or no, don't consider like that. That is fine actually. Here, true means plus. F, false means negative. Like that you can remember. Here, what we have to do, true, true means both are positive. Positive, positive, you will get positive. Use our mathematical logic. And positive into negative, you will get negative. And again, negative into positive, you will get negative only. Then again, negative, negative, it will go into positive. Okay, like that you can remember all these truth tables. Why? Because in our examination point of view, in the logical equivalence means they are giving some compound statement like this. For example, negation P or Q implies and implied by P and Q, logical equivalence symbol. This is then you can show that negation Q or negation P and P or Q. Like that, they may given some compound proposition for both sides. What you have to do, solve LHS truth table and RHS truth table. Finally, you have to show both truth table, the resulting column is same, then it is logical equivalence. Okay, like that you can solve the logical equivalence by using all these concepts. Okay. See, I think you may understand very well. Please like the video and share the video and comment below. And one more is, if PQ is given, it is very easy to write true, 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 false, false, true. But if PQR, three variables is there, in that case, we are using binary logic. I will tell how to write and how to remember in our coming videos. Okay, all the very best. Thanks for watching.